Where's the oil? Hey, what's up, Dust Family? Hey, what's up, Dust Family? Hey, what's up, guys? So, welcome back to the Dust Fam. And now, my mom's gonna help me change my meter. So we're gonna need my Dexcom.
The new sensor.
And the new sensor with the new spray we bought.
You gotta sit back because you're not showing your face.
And then we have to use this to take the meter off, right?
The old meter off.
Yeah, so this really helps.
Yeah.
We do it with my pump too.
Yeah.
That's better.
So we have Aquaphor for after we take off the old sensor. It helps with just preventing rash. And then we use Unisolve for the adhesive remover. That's what it's called, Unisolve. It's adhesive remover. It just helps with, you know, it not hurting when you take it off because it gives pulls on the skin. And then what else do you need?
And then we need oil too for after.
Yeah, this is also we use this too because we love it.
To make it not itchy.
Yeah, it helps Emma from scratching. All right, let's get started. Let's start. Oh, and then you need your receiver or your phone. You need her phone or receiver that the Dexcom sends the readings to. So we're gonna start by. So we wanted to change it because it keeps giving this temporary issue error. I don't know why. It's been going on since yesterday a couple of times. So I'm just gonna change it, and we're due for a sensor change anyways.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to the Dexcom app that looks like this. And we're going to click on it. And then we're going to go all the way to the bottom and we're going to stop the sensor. So stop sensor, or you wait until the sensor is expired. And then we're going to press stop sensor. And then go back to the home page. And now it's ready for the new sensor. So we're going to... I'm not going to do this until after I take off the old sensor.
Yeah.
Alright, let's turn around. It's okay. It doesn't hurt.
Yes, it does.
Turn all the way so they can see. All the way. Alright, so that's her old sensor. And we have this plastic Dexcom layover patch. Sorry. And that's what we use so that it keeps the Dexcom clean and nice and sticking and lasting for the full 10 days. So I'm going to take the Unisolve. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to put it here. Can you get closer?
Are we going to do the number?
Yeah, in a little bit. Get closer, get closer, get closer, get closer, get closer. All right. So I'm going to just lay this on here and I'm going to let the patch soak up the liquid. Yeah. And we're going to leave it on there for a little while.
I know you can't talk right now.
I don't know if you can see that.
Ah!
So now it's all wet and soaked with the Unisolve. So now it's all...
Now make you do the number.
We're going to let that soak in for about a few minutes.
Oh my god.
I'm going to put it on the edges. Just rub it in really well so that it starts to come off. The plastic overlay patch is starting to come off already.
Yeah.
So we're just going to neat that and leave that on for about 5 minutes. We just leave it on until...
I was going to say like 6 minutes.
Yeah.
Kind of like...
Alrighty.
About 7 minutes.
So we're going to put it on your other arm? Is that what we're going to do? Yes? Sissy.
Yes.
Silly goose. Alright, let's put your legs that way. Put your legs straight the other way.
Okay. I can't.
You're all discombobulated. Alright, turn.
I'm your dead robot right now.
Yes, my robot is uncharged. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the Dexcom app. Oops, wrong password. And we're going to put new sensor. Click on the new sensor. And Emma's going to enter the code, and we're going to enter it manually. So go ahead and enter the code that's on your new sensor.
Can I do it?
Okay. I feel like we've had this number so many times. Okay, so go ahead and put the number.
So it's going to be...
Show them.
9. And... 117.
Okay, so show them that you put it in.
So this is what the number was on the meter.
Okay, good. Now we're going to save. Save it, and then we're gonna confirm it.
And then now
you're ready to put on the new sensor. Okay, so first, by prepping up the skin, I'm gonna clean it with some alcohol wipes.
Yeah.
Just really quick. Make sure it's clean. Also, you want to make sure your hands are clean.
Yeah.
So we're gonna rip this off. We're gonna make sure this is really, 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 really dry before applying the new sensor.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's the new sensor.
No.
I'm gonna pinch the skin to see where the fattiest part is. So,
I'm like gonna squeeze up.
like that. So we're gonna do it right here. Okay?
Where the alcohol was?
Yep. We're all dry. So I'm gonna pull this first tab off.
And then we're gonna yell.
Second tab off, and we're gonna yell so it doesn't hurt her or scare her. So I'm gonna squeeze the skin again. And we're going to place it and wiggle it a little bit so the adhesive sticks. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Take off this orange tab, and we're ready. On Emma's count of 3, we're gonna scream. 1, 2, 3. Did it hurt? Nope. Okay, now you're gonna rub around the
I was
adhesive
gonna say now you're
3 times. Make sure it's really stuck on there.
Ow!
Sorry.
Don't do that.
Okay, it's all done and set. That's a new one.
Now we can do the old one.
Yeah, we're now back to the old one.
Now we're restarting.
Back to the old one. This one's starting to fall off easily.
It's like
I'm just gonna take it off slowly. Hold on, bend your arm this way. Just like that. Perfect. Oops, sorry.
It's okay. Ow!
Emma doesn't like when I pull it off. So I'm gonna just work around this way. The Dexcom overlay patches are very, very sticky. So if you just look, this is the Dexcom sensor, just the sensor. And it just comes off so easily. Just like that. And there's a little
bendy
wire that goes into Emma.
Yeah, you see a little pointy thing?
Super small. This one was a little bleeder, huh?
Mm.
Didn't notice that one. I'll take that off later. But
now you need to take out the sensor.
so you bend it, and now you need the transmitter. It's a little slippery. Just gonna take an alcohol wipe
and take it.
and just, it's all sticky.
Nee.
We're gonna pull off the transmitter. So now this is trash. It's trash yuckiness. And here is our transmitter. This transmitter lasts about 90 days. So I'm gonna clean the transmitter. So what hurts more, Emma? Your Dexcom insertion or your pump insertion?
That thing.
It doesn't hurt anymore?
Unless you yell, it doesn't.
If you yell, it doesn't hurt? Nope. Oh, we got a little bit of blood, but it's okay. Do you want to scoot back? Scoot back.
Ew.
There you go. Got a little bit of blood.
I didn't cry.
I'm going to stick the transmitter in.
It's really good.
And we're going to press it until it clicks.
Ow.
And we're in. Now,
Actually, that didn't hurt. Then you were from.
we're going to
Come here. Come here.
say hi.
Oh! I didn't know you guys were vlogging.
Now we're going to press start sensor. And now we're on a 2-hour warm-up.
You all have brown eyes.
So I'm going to clean off the old one now.
Right?
It's pretty sticky. Alright, so the last thing we just need to do is just clean off this patch, you know, this sticky patch. Pretty sticky today, I don't know why. So I'm going to get these cotton rounds and I'm going to put some of the Unisolve onto the cotton round. These two are crazy. So I'm going to soak it up a little bit. It's a lot, but leave these on for a little like couple of minutes.
Yeah.
So it lifts up nicely.
About 10.
And Emma's so hairy, so like all the hair gets stuck.
So is my dad.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Not hairy.
Soak it up a little bit.
Here,
What is that?
Here.
You guys are both really hairy.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna leave it on there for a little bit
About 1.
so it comes off.
Ow! Ow!
Sorry. I'm just gonna pull off a little bit. Yeah, these are a little tough to take off sometimes. Sometimes they are easy to take off, sometimes they're hard to take off.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna make sure that it's all off. So it
Yeah,
doesn't.
you want to get the sticky stuff too.
Yeah, I got all the sticky stuff off.
You want to
Rub,
get
rub,
all
rub,
the
rub, rub.
yuckiness.
Yeah, you want to make sure it's all clean. She's got a little rash.
Yeah.
That's okay. Because we're gonna put some oil on it.
So this is what my arm looks like right now.
Yeah,
Then we
you can
put
see a little
oil.
bit of a rash, but it goes back down. It's just
Yeah.
from the irritation of pulling the thing.
Sometimes it gets worse before it gets better.
Yeah.
But
But it's not as bad as how we used to get rashes.
yes, oh my
We used
gosh.
to have horrible rashes.
For the longest time, we were like trying to figure it out. You know what works for her, stuff like that.
Yes, just keep it moisturized.
You've already shown everybody what you got.
Yeah, are we gonna put the thing on?
Yeah, we'll do that later. And this is optional. We put these Dexcom overlay patches. We get these from Dexcom themselves. So when you just call the number on your Dexcom, here, these are the numbers right here too. If you want to call them when you get a sensor replaced or something, you just ask them, can you send me Dexcom overlay patches? And they send you 10 all for free. So,
That's kind of nice of them to send it for free.
yeah. Well, they make a lot of money off of these Dexcoms. All right. This is totally option. We're going to go back to to the new sensor.
It feels good when you put it on.
Emma likes this. I don't know why.
Yeah, this feels
Okay. So, I need your arm, like, bend it like this. Like,
What's it feel like when mom puts it on?
It feels like a massage.
Watch your hair too.
It
yeah.
feels like
A massage?
Yeah.
it feels
So,
like an arm
first step is we're going to take off this green one with the arrows on it.
It's just
the
clear,
Sticky?
right?
It's just that clear sticky one that we just took off.
Mm.
So we're going to put the transmitter
good.
in the middle.
Yeah, finally.
Is it like cold?
No, this feels good.
And then we're going to rub that on, make sure it's well. And then I'm going to lift up a little bit. And as I'm lifting, I'm going to rub.
Just good right now.
Lift. Can you rub that side, Jay?
Mm-hmm.
Rub.
Oh, it's, yeah. You gotta rub it as you peel it, because it does tend to come up.
That's what that's how I do it, so it sticks really well. Is it stuck on that side?
Yep. Well, I mean, yeah.
I'm gonna rub and rub and rub.
All
and
the
rub
way
and
to the end.
all the way to the end. And that's it.
For the video.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that helps you guys on putting on your new Dexcoms. And say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.